If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. And for those of you that are here for the first time, my name is Brandy and I love to teach and make videos on making handbags. So I thought I would pop in as I am now that we had had the membership side for over a year with our sew along classes, I'm finally able to add a perk to the lowest tier, which is the $4.99 a month tier, the Beans Peeps Club. So that tier 1, now will have access to the class replays that are 12 months old and older. So you can go in and you can see the slowed down classes. Of course, they're no longer live. This is in replay, step to step, usually 3 or 4 classes, 2-hour classes of everything in real time on how to make bags that are voted in from the membership that we do monthly for classes. So I figured this is the perfect time to go through and show you how to join, the benefits of each tier and the perks to each tier, and yeah, just to create some excitement because I am super excited about it, and I hope you are too. So I am going to set my computer up. I'm going to share my screen and I'm going to show you how to join if you want to and the perks of each tier. All right, to join the membership. So what you want to do is go onto YouTube like I have here and find my channel. If you haven't already, please do subscribe and hit the notifications bell so you know when I'm putting new content up. And then right up here beside my title, you're going to see a join button. So you're going to click on that. And this will bring up the membership. So this video that you're watching right now is actually going to replace the video we have in here. So as you scroll down, you can see you can click on the many, oh my goodness, I don't like seeing my body there. You can click on the many different tiers of membership. So this is the tier that I am talking about today. So these are Canadian prices for $4.99 a month. It's month to month. You can join for 1 month if you wanted to, and binge all the content and then cancel, or you could keep it going. Now Beans Peeps Club, what it offers for $4.99 a month is, depending how long you are a member, as long as you're a member, you will have one of these badges next to your name in the chats, and each badge represents time that you have been a member. So I believe this blue one is like 1 month and this one's like 2 months and so on, and the purple is like 12 plus months. Priority reply to comments. Of course, I do reply to everybody, so I'm not one that can actually leave that. Early access to Bag of the Month tutorials. So what that means is when the members, or when actually everybody votes in the bag that we will be doing for some classes, that will also come with a tutorial and a cutting video based on whether I have one on the channel already. So when those videos happen, and I don't have one on the channel already, those tutorials go exclusive to the members until the end of the classes. So even though Beans Peeps Club isn't part of the live classes, they do get early access to those new tutorials for the month of the classes until they release to the public side of the channel. So that is an added bonus. So that could be anywhere from 2 to 4 videos a month even of that. Also on that note, as I try to only release a tutorial a week, I will also upload upcoming tutorials that I have finished to the Beans Peeps Club, so they do get early access to seeing those and tell my scheduled time slot of when I will be putting that in to the public side. So that is what Beans Peeps Club is all about. And plus we've added in this new one right here, which is members only class replays 12 plus months and older. So any of the classes that are 12 months and older, Beans Peeps Club will now have access to those classes. The next tier up, we click on it here. Oh yes, so if you want to join that one, you just make sure you have Beans Peeps Club highlighted and you would hit join. The next one is past live class replays. So I actually should change this to 6+ months. So you get all of the perks of the Beans Peeps Club. Plus, you get to see the replays of the past classes that are 6 months so 6 to 11 months old. So you get them earlier access than, say, the Beans Peeps Club. You get them earlier by 6 months. And that one is $10.99 Canadian a month to join. So if you wanted to join that one, you would hit that. The next one up is where we're getting into our actual sewing classes. So that's the Thursday monthly sew along. This is $19.99 a month Canadian. What this does is give you monthly real-time live classes, except for the months of July and December, because I do take those 2 months off of live classes. But we have Teacher's Choice pre-recorded classes. So you will still have your classes that month. They just will not be live, but you will still be able to message me and ask questions and all of that. And they will be released on every Thursday of that month. So you get those classes where you get to participate live. We do the classes every Thursdays from 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. Pacific time. And then, of course, you get the replays of all the Thursday sew-alongs of all time, and then the past live class replay. You get the benefits of the 2 tiers below it as well. So this one here isn't part of the Tuesday sew-along class, so they would get to see the Tuesday sew-along classes through this tier, because they have access to the past class. That's really hard to say. Past live class replays. So you get the Tuesday classes that are 6+ months and older. Okay, the next tier up is the VIP of the Month Club 1. And what that is once a month I do a draw for a $25 Canadian gift card to the VIP, Beans Peeps VIP of the month. A place of their choice, as long as I can get a gift card for it for $25 Canadian. So that gets 1 entry into that draw. So, and gets you all of the other tiers down below it, and that's $24.99 a month. Now the next one up is like the full meal deal. So this one includes the Tuesday sew along classes, the Thursday sew along classes. So that's 2 different bag classes, and all of the stuff under it, including a ticket into the VIP of the month draw. So Tuesday sew-along classes, unfortunately, I couldn't have 2 tiers equal to one another to have a Tuesday class and a Thursday class, so you could choose which one you wanted. That's just not the way it works in the tier system for YouTube, and it was very important to me to keep it on this platform, because I just think it's easier for everybody to have it all in one place. So this one here has access to pretty much everything on the channel. You do not miss a thing. You have the replays to everything for all time, because you have access to this tier as well as everything below it. So Tuesday, Thursday live classes, so that's 2 bags, exclusive live replays of classes and member lives, early access to the bag of the month tutorials, members only live chats, members only live streams, etc., etc. It's the full meal deal. And if you want to go and double your chances to get that gift card once a month, you can upgrade for an extra $5 to VIP of the month too, and that will get you a 2nd entry into the Beans Peeps VIP draw that usually happens within the first week of the following month. So yeah, okay, so let me go back to my face here. I hope that helps explain how to join the memberships. And if there are any questions at all about the memberships, please, please, please do reach out to me. My email is linked down below. That is the best way to get a hold of me. Or you can shoot me a message in the Bagmakers group that we have on Facebook. That's all linked down below as well as the link to where you can join all of this. So just make sure if you are joining that you are clicking on the correct tier that you want and hitting join on that one. We have a really great group in there right now. It's been a long-term group. We've had quite a few new people joining, and we would love to see more of you come and join us. We just have such a fun time. Not only am I teaching, but I am learning so much from the members as well. Tips and tricks wise, we teach each other and we all learn together, and it is so much fun. And then at the end of the year, so in January or maybe just before the new year, I'm not sure the date yet, I will do a video of pictures of all of the classes from January to December for 2023. to show off everybody's great work. So even if you weren't part of those classes from the beginning, if you remember, definitely send me those pictures and I will add them into the show off group if you have followed along with one of the class live replays or one of the classes. I am just so proud of everybody, and I'm loving all the friendships that we are making, and I really do hope that more of you will consider joining. Again, you don't have to join for any amount of time. You could join just for 1 month if you just feel like, hey, do you know what? It's hot outside, it's summer, I want to just binge a whole bunch of these classes. So definitely go through and take a look. You can go to my playlist and you can see all of the classes that are in the member sections. So go ahead and check out those playlists and you will see which ones are available to which tier. It does say members only, so you won't be able to click on them, but you can at least see what they are there. If you have any questions, please do reach out, and I really hope to see all of you soon joining us on the membership side of the channel. But again, the public side does not change. So yeah, if you hung on till the end of this video, maybe in the comments put a little angel emoji so I know that you hung on with me right to the end. Just curious how many actually do watch this all the way through. So if you could do that for me, that would be fantastic. Anyways, until the next one, I'll catch you guys later. Bye.